Hey, Python pioneers, it's AI and DS with AI. And today, we're uncovering the two main components of Pandas series and DataFrame that are incredibly versatile and intuitive for organizing and analyzing data. A series is a one-dimensional array-like object that can hold various data types, including integers, floats, strings, and Python objects. It serves as the building block for more complex data structures, like the data frame. Data frame can be created from various data sources, such as CSV files, Excel sheets, databases, or even dictionaries and lists. It is a combination of two or more series. Let's take an example of series and data frame. Import pandas as PWI data equal to Apple 3201 and Origis 3521. These two are series now. To convert them into a single data frame, type any variable you want, let's say df equal to pd dot data frame, and pass data to it. And thus, we get a data frame. Notes, do follow my Instagram account. Subscribe for more coding adventures, and let me know what Python topics you're eager to explore next. Stay curious, stay coding.